What's going on, everybody? Travis with RAC Garage, and this video, I don't get anything done, but I do have a new product. It is a hard good, I think they call them. It's not clothing. It's not. I'm not trying to sell you a t-shirt this time. Maybe next time. But we made panels for the sedan, and we're like, hey, these are kind of easy. Nobody makes them, so let's see if we can make a few. So we made about 10 sets, but we will make more if more sell. Here they are. So they're these guys right here. They attach, as you probably saw in the other video, but if you did not, they attach right here on the cowl feet of a 3031 Model A. All models. So this will go right here. You can weld it on. We riveted it on like factory. You know, this is a spot for the sheet metal here to come down and curl around and spot weld or tack weld to this, actually, and integrate into the cowl feet. So this is a pretty important piece. And somebody might make it, but I don't see anybody making these. But I think a lot of you guys need these. Or you're probably saying, why didn't you make these earlier? Because I've needed them, I had to make them, and yeah, I don't know. Hey, here's a few here. Here's another set. He was making them, they're laying around everywhere. He took 10 sets. No, he didn't. 10. 8, 7, 6. Whoa, I had to make more. Yeah, we made a ton already. Because here's a bunch. I think those are his prototype ones that the bead isn't quite perfect, and I'm just going to use those in my cars. But, yeah. As a long, drawn-out thing to say, go to my website if you need those. Pick up a set. And hopefully it solves your problem. All right. All right. Morning, guys. In the shop today, just unboxed the, little tube kit for this pickup I got out there. The 4 braces that rot out in all these 2000s trucks, mostly Chevys and GMCs. Actually, Fords, they fall apart just as well as the others. But I'm going to be cutting the old ones out and welding these in, probably one by one, just to make it easier. There was a big bracket on one of these that is not on these. So I don't know if it wants me to reuse it, but there's nothing left to it. So I might have to make something. But who knows? We'll see. Actually, let's go check it out and throw this crap out. Here's the butte right here. So we got this guy, this guy, this guy, and this one that's not even existent anymore. So we'll replace all these. It's gonna be fun, I guess they would say. Probably not, but it's gonna be fun. Probably gonna drop the tank because yeah, this thing, this was not on. Oh, it's not even attached anyway. What the heck? Okay, so that's not attached, but I might make a... Sorry for the sniffling. if you hear it. I don't know what's going on. But, yeah. Probably have to make this little bracket thingy. And maybe get a couple tank straps. I'm not sure. Oh, that's what this is for that. Okay, yeah. Shouldn't be too big of a deal. I think this is the other tank strap. Yeah, I'm going to order tank straps because these things are going to break. No way that these things are going to not break. Yeah, these things are disgusting. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to order tank straps for these. I'm looking at the threads on the bolts from the top side, and, like, there's no thread left. Raised. You're gonna get in trouble.
I only did one pass. Luckily. What time is 10:25?
Huh?
You know what time Tim's coming over?
Tim's not.
Who is then?
Ken and Bill? Bill should be here in a
Ken.
minute.
I thought it was Tim.
Bill should be here in a minute.
Okay.
And
Ken's gonna get here whenever.
Ken's on his way, but he's like almost an hour.
Okay.
Stuff laying around. There's some new gears in here, some bearings. There's a starter too. You can have it.
I think you need it.
You split it with your buddy here.
That's for your
This is
roaster.
for the early stuff, the early
Yes.
block. Oh, okay, okay.
Travis, do you need this?
No. Alright, so Jacob was busy making many sets of the, you know, what would we call those?
I don't even know.
The cowl feet inner structure. I don't know, because it's part of the cowl sheet metal kind of, and part of the feet, but not really. Well, I showed you where these go. These, I'm selling these, as you can see. If you want a pair, go to my website and I'll have some up. racgarage.com. That's what he did all day, pretty much.
Yeah, pretty much.
He's making tooling so he can do it in pretty much one operation.
Yeah, started making the die, but then the bandsaw blade is like just toast. Yeah, right there. That's like.
That's what you started cutting again?
And it just wasn't doing anything.
Because this is a plasma cut edge.
Oh, yeah?
And it hardens it. So.
Well, it wasn't cutting this either. That took like.
I think most of the edges are.
Are they all?
This one is. That's why. This and that.
Okay.
That's why. Because you burnt it out on this one, and you started cutting, and then you tried again, and it didn't work. And.
Yeah. Okay.
It's all good. But other than that, we really did not much. Bill came. BS for a while. Ken came. I BS with him for a while. I was working on this pickup a little bit. Put the 2 cross members in. Put new tank straps in. There is not much to this frame. So some spots I wasn't even able to weld to. But this is not a restoration, as you can tell. It's just a pickup to get back on the road. So these 2 are done. I just got to do this guy and the back. I'll probably do that over the weekend because I don't want to work on this on Monday. So yeah, that's about it. Like I said, we really didn't do anything, but hopefully do some stuff on Monday. So I'll see you guys on Monday.